This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by BillyCannon. East Orlando 2-bedroom 2-bath ground floor condo just fully renovated with new paint, carpet, kitchen and bath updates. Full appliance package including washer and dryer. Very roomy floor plan set up as a kitchen family room combo. Sizable closet space in both suites. Ample parking, easy access. Convenient to highways and shopping. Low maintenance unit since grounds are included. We will accept Section 8 on this property. Application being processed. For more information, review the details below or contact BillyCannon at 954-693-0100.